Do you need to create storyboards for your movie, commercial, or even book? Meet Katalist AI, a tool that can help you streamline that process. Today I'm going to show you how to use Katalist to bring your storyboards to life in just a few easy steps. Once you log into Katalist, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Here you'll see a list of projects you've been working on. Let's create a new one. Click on the New Project button and give it a name. You'll now have two options: Sketch for black and white visuals or Cinematic for a more polished look. Katalist even lets you choose aspect ratios, which is perfect if you're working across different formats, whether it's for film, social media, or TV. Now you can either create your project from scratch, import your script, or use Katalist AI Assistant to help you draw the script for you. You can type in the basic idea, and Katalist will generate a draft script for you. Don't worry, you can edit everything later. Katalist will create scenes of your story, introducing characters, and if you don't like them, you can easily change them. Simply click on Add a new character, and pick one from the list. This is where you can really make your storyboard unique. You can edit angles, like switching from a low shot to a top-down shot. And don't forget the background. Katalist offers various settings from cities to streets to subways. Adjusting the lighting can dramatically change the mood of your scene. As much as Katalist helps you speed up storyboarding, there are still some limitations. For instance, you can only have one character per scene at a moment, which can be frustrating for more complex stories. Katalist is working on allowing multiple characters per scene, which should be coming in future updates. You can also experiment with different backgrounds. Katalist will upgrade the background instantly, and you can keep refining these details until you get the perfect shot. Katalist is still evolving. While it's already a powerful tool, it doesn't yet support animations or ability to upload custom artwork. However, both of these features are on the roadmap. Once you're satisfied with your storyboard, exporting is easy. You can export it as a zip file, PowerPoint presentation, or even an individual image to further editing in our. The built-in GPT-4 script creator helps you generate polished scripts with clear dialogue and detailed descriptions. The tool supports CSV import to streamline the process. Katalist AI turns your scripts into visual storyboards quickly. It generates multiple scenes and maintains visual consistency for characters and props throughout the project. You can use the character feature to create custom characters. Katalist offers both human and non-human characters, for example goblins and animals. Characters are integrated into the scene with appropriate expressions and actions. After generating the initial storyboard, users can tweak the AI-generated visuals. Katalist allows multiple versions of a scene and the ability to fine-tune elements like camera angles, characters, and background props. Katalyst's strength lies in its ability to convert simple scripts into visually consistent storyboards quickly. Use the basic features first before diving into advanced customization. You can use the Generate 5 Versions feature to quickly visualize different takes of a scene and select the most fitting one. Continue tweaking AI-generated visuals to align with your vision. Katalist supports flexible and iterative design processes for fine-tuning. Users might face issues with characters changing attire or showing inconsistent expressions. This can be managed by carefully reviewing each scene and adjusting characters' props and actions. New users may find the interface complex. Spend time exploring the platform's tools and use the provided help guides to navigate. Katalist struggles with hyper-realistic character generation, so it's best suited for cinematic or sketch-style storyboards rather than ultra-realistic depictions. Katalist AI is a part of a growing trend of AI-assisted storyboard tools that aim to simplify the creative process. It's used for filmmakers, content creators, and visual artists to rapidly generate storyboards and tweak creative projects in an iterative manner. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.